Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty and
Mama Donna.
We got Mama Donna here because we are sharing with you one of our favorites for Christmas Eve, which is so special to us because every Christmas Eve our family tradition is to celebrate the 7 fishes, which means we enjoy so much seafood. One thing for our seafood feast on Christmas Eve always includes our crab balls or crab cakes. Whether you are making these large or small in the Blackstone pizza oven or the Blackstone air fryers, or you can even fry these up to perfection right on the Blackstone Griddle surface. They are perfect to add to your holiday this year, and I hope they become a tradition in your family just like they are for us. Now let me show you guys how you can make this at home using your Blackstone. Crab cakes or crab balls are always a favorite and so easy to make with only a few ingredients needed. I've got 1 pound of lump crab meat. You want to go for lump, that way you can really see all of those lumps of crab meat throughout. And of course I've got my jumbo size Old Bay. This brings me right back to my childhood. I love Old Bay. Into a large mixing bowl, I've got 1/4 cup of Duke's mayo, 1 large egg. We'll do about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a few splashes of our Worcestershire sauce, and then we'll grate in the zest of some lemon. You can do as much or as little lemon as you like in your crab. For me, I know I love it. I'm adding a little squeeze of lemon juice, a tablespoon of our Old Bay seasoning, and then a handful or about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped flat leaf Italian parsley. Give this a good whisk to incorporate all of those ingredients. Now for our beautiful lump crab meat. If you know me and my family, you know we love spending time down in the crab capital. That's the Maryland crab capital. Crisfield, Maryland. We love spending some time down here. Some quality family time, sitting on the docks, handline crabbing. It just doesn't get any better, and it is so peaceful. And of course, who can beat free crabs? Especially come winter when the price of crab meat can really jump up. But making these nice and small is going to spread out our dollar. We'll gently fold in our crab meat. This way we don't break up any of those big beautiful lumps. Then down goes 1/2 cup to 1 cup of panko breadcrumb. Skip the seasoned breadcrumbs, and if you don't have panko, you can also use saltine crackers crushed up, or you can make fresh breadcrumbs or use fresh cubed bread. Fold that in, and then onto a baking sheet. We'll scoop these on, get them rolled into our balls, and then into the refrigerator these go for at least 30 minutes. We've got my little handy dandy scooper, which helps to make all of these mini crab balls the same size. You can also prep these the night before and keep them covered in the refrigerator. This will save you some time on Christmas Eve. When you are ready to cook these, you can either cook these in your Blackstone air fryer, which I've showed you before, a different crab recipe. You can find that on the Blackstone YouTube channel. So make sure that you're subscribed so that you don't miss any of the recipes, especially if you're new. You can also fry these in a little butter or ghee directly on your Blackstone Griddle surface, or my favorite for these is the E-Series, which I recently showed you also when we were crabbing. Today we're going for the pizza oven. We've got this setting to 400. Now right before they go in, and note it is absolutely freezing outside, so we've got to move quickly to get some melted butter brushed over the top of these. Then into the oven they go. They're going to take about 8 to 12 minutes. Halfway through, I pull these out and add a little extra brush of butter. Today we're doing a little extra butter because I forgot to grease our pan. You want to make sure you grease your pan so that these do not stick. Luckily, I had no problem, and these did not stick at all. In about 12 minutes, these were golden brown to perfection. You can let them go shorter or longer depending on how dark you want that golden brown to be. For me, they look perfect, so we're plating them up. We're gonna give them a post dust of our Old Bay, a nice sprinkle of that fresh chopped parsley. And then Mama Donna's got my lemons sliced up and ready to serve alongside for anyone that wants a little extra lemon, which is me. Fresh lemon is always key for these, and it just makes them look so pretty. And people can take little pieces and go over the top with them as they wish. And last but not least, my Betty's burger sauce. This recipe can be found on the Blackstone products website, along with tons of other recipes. But this burger sauce, isn't it killer? I mean, I think my family just loves this for our smash burgers and everything. Dipping veggies, but it's perfect for our crab balls. Now it's time to go get warm. Go inside, enjoy these. I hope you guys enjoy these just as much as me and my family do on Christmas Eve as part of our tradition of the 7 fishes. Maybe start the 7 fishes yourself. It's a special day and I cannot wait to celebrate. Thanks for helping me make these. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty. This is Mama Donna. We will see you guys in the next video. Cheers.
Oh my gosh, so good.
Okay. Love them?
I love them.
All right, let's bring them in and get warm.